name's Rowan Elsmore, and I love my home city, Ottawa. One of the things that I love about Ottawa is that there's so many exciting things to do here. So today I'm going to go way outside my comfort zone and try some of the coolest adventures the Ottawa-Gatineau area has to offer. So this is a Waco UPF-7 biplane, and it was manufactured around the same time as the Second World War. So this thing is older than my grandfather. Now we're going to get some headphones on and get in the plane. I'm ready. About to go in. An amazing experience. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I'm afraid of heights, so that was pretty nerve-wracking at first. But once I got in the air, I felt completely safe and the view was just spectacular. So I'm at Camp Fortune, which is my favorite ski hill in the winter, and in the summer it becomes a full zip lining and terrain park. Let's go and get geared up. Wow, that was cool. Ziplining was a lot of fun and I had a total blast, and next up I'm gonna do something that I didn't even know you could do in Ottawa until today: whitewater rafting. We're at Britannia Bay, which is one of Ottawa's beautiful beaches, and this is where our whitewater rafting adventure begins. Ready, Cordell? Okay, we're almost ready to go. Helmets on. I think this is the last one.
If you come to Ottawa, you've got to check out Ottawa City Rafting. It's amazing.
Totally worth it. So today was a great day. I did some of the most exciting things that Ottawa has to offer, and I hope that you too can find your adventure in Ottawa this summer.